up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel, Be More on Life, where I'm bringing y'all these banging recipes. Today we got a breakfast recipe, man. I haven't did a breakfast recipe on the channel yet, so I'm excited about this one. It's gonna be a quick, easy, and simple recipe. I love me some breakfast, man. I'll eat breakfast in the nighttime. You know what I mean? I'm the type that'll slide through the Jack in the Box and get some of that breakfast in the middle of the night. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's get into it. Right here we got 6 eggs. Like I said, it's gonna be a mega omelet. We got those sliced mushrooms, white mushroom. We got our red bell pepper. We got our green bell pepper. We got some white onion. We got some tomato. We got some jalapeno. We got some shredded cheese, baby. Gotta cheese it up, okay? We got us some garlic. And then these are still frozen. We got us some hash browns, okay? I don't do too well with the other type of hash browns, man. The stringy ones, I don't know why. I can't never get it right. But yeah, we got our seasonings over here. We got black pepper and salt. We're going to keep it basic today with the seasonings. And then also we got our extra hot chili habanero. I'm going to be sprinkling on top. And I may put this picante. But yeah, I love this sauce, y'all. Go ahead. If y'all ain't got it at y'all local store and order it, man. This sauce is hitting, y'all. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. You guys already know what time it is. It's time to drop those frozen, pre-made hash browns. You know, I like to do things the easy way. So yeah, we gonna pop those in there and wait for them to get nice and crispy. So next, let's go ahead and get these vegetables nice and marinated, caramelized, whatever you want to call it. We want to make sure those are translucent. We're just going to cook them down. By the way, do you guys like seeing me chop the vegetables? And do you guys like seeing the products? Because I pretty much put everything in these glass bowls. So let me know down in the comments below what you prefer to see, the glass bowls with everything already in it, or me explaining the ingredients in the beginning of the video. Just let me know. And by the way, thank you guys for all the people that are subscribing to the channel. I almost made it to 100 subscribers. Didn't quite make it. Well, you know, it's 3 days left in the month, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys for supporting me. Thank you for helping the channel grow. All of my supporters, my biggest supporters, y'all know who y'all are. I really, really, really and truly appreciate you guys. And yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and add these white mushroom, and I added bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Now I'm getting ready to add the onion. Y'all seen it. I just started talking. But yeah, I just wanted to show my appreciation to you guys. So yeah, you see the vegetables, they are getting nice and cooked down. And it's amazing how much water comes out of these vegetables. So now we want to go ahead and remove everything from the pan onto a plate, because we're going to get ready to add that back in just a moment. So let's go ahead and put the olive oil. I cleaned the pan out. I didn't want anything to get burnt. So right now, you want to get everything nice and coated. You want a nice coating in the bottom of the pan. So I kind of move it around to make sure everything gets nice and coated with that olive oil. So we want to go ahead and toss those 6 eggs in. And I know that seems like a lot of olive oil, but I want this to not stick to the bottom. I need it to fry. You know what I mean? Like really fry. So everything can come together. Right now you just see me working it. I'm moving stuff around, like move it in, let the liquid fall back behind. That's how I was taught to make an omelet. It's been working for me this far. Shout out to my mom. Shout out to my dad. He showed me how to cook eggs. My mom showed me how to do an omelet. So yeah, thank you guys for being in the kitchen the way you guys were. So yeah, you see now everything is starting to cook evenly. I have a little bit more liquid. I'm gonna go ahead and fold it inward so it can drop to the back and everything can get well done. Because I don't like no runny egg. I can't stand no runny egg. I need it well done, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and add these vegetables back. Like I told y'all before, we're going to be adding those back. And man, when I tell y'all this is going to be so good. And I decided to go meatless because, I mean, you don't have to have meat for every meal. Like, I'm the type of person, I can go meatless. It's no problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and go in with that cheese. Y'all know I love me some cheese, baby. I loves me some cheese. Okay. Yeah, so you know I'm gonna go extra crazy with this cheese now. Y'all know y'all can scale back if y'all want to, but it won't be the same. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and toss just a little bit more salt into this dish. It's a big omelet. Like I said, it's a mega Texas size omelet. You know what I mean? It's not just any type of omelet. It's a Texas size omelet. Okay. So yeah, going with that black pepper. You know, put a little salt. So it's going to be hitting, y'all. I promise you. Y'all try this recipe and you see how that thing just sliding around, nothing sticking. Yes, that's the point of adding, you know, a nice amount of olive oil. So now it is the time, the moment of truth, okay? Yes, and I had to use 2 spatulas, y'all, because this omelet was so huge. And I just want y'all to know, I'm not about to eat this whole thing in advance. I'm going to probably do half today and half tomorrow. But yeah, I wanted y'all to see just how amazingly awesome a veggie omelet can be. I eat these all the time in the morning. Like, you know, I just sometimes you don't have to have all that meat, you know. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and remove that omelet, and y'all, woo, it came out pretty good. And there you have it, guys. Look at that. Ooh, wee. And I went ahead and put a little avocado and my hash browns on the plate. And it's finna go down, y'all. Let me take a bite. Oh, we got our mega Texas size omelet, baby. Look at that. Ooh, wee. Look at that. I'm about to have a bite, y'all. All right, let's see what we got here. I want all them vegetables, that mushroom, that cheese. Mmm. That's really good, y'all. And that hash brown. Make sure y'all drop a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all these banging recipes. All right, be more on Life Crew.